Morning, fifth grade. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a good morning so far. We have some fun activities for you today. And don't forget, for Spirit Week today is Dress to Impress. So come wearing your Sunday best attire. Even if you're not, come anyway. I'll put on something nice in the morning for the first time in a long time. And we'll come to Hangouts looking decent today, okay? So you have 3 different things that you can work on for me today. First, we're going to do our third quiz for Woods Runner. Remember, we're going to do these together at 9 and 1. If you want to work with a group and talk through some answers, we're going to be talking through those together as a group, having a discussion about that. Feel free to do it on your own. Remember, complete sentences, capital letter, end mark, restate the question. You guys are doing a great job, but just don't forget. For writing today, don't forget to work on your 5th grade memory. Some of you, I had a whole bunch of kids just knock this out yesterday. It is not going to take you very long. You are just writing a paragraph, telling me a story about your favorite memory from 5th grade. I did tell one of the Hangout groups today. I forgot to mention it to the other one. But I wanted to let you all know the reason I have you write a 5th grade memory story is I will compile all of your stories, put them in a little booklet, and print it out for you guys. That way you have a whole book of memories from 5th grade written by your peers. So keep that in mind as you're writing your story. It is something that your peers are going to be able to see, and we'll have a copy of. So keep that in mind as you are writing this memory. I hope it's something that you cherish for a long time and can look back on the fun that we had in 5th grade. We're going to continue talking about our grammar skill for this week. So go to page 60 in your MyView book, or go to Pearson Realize, not 60, 600 in your MyView book, or go to Pearson Realize. It's assigned for you there too. Don't forget about your journal. I'm excited to see your journals. You're doing story sticks this week. So pick a random character, random setting, random conflict, random additional item, and make up a fun story. It's just meant to be fun this week. For Hangouts today, guys, we will be working on our quiz 3, and then I would love to help you with any writing after that if we have some time. So I'll see you at 9, and at 1, be sure to dress to impress today. See you guys after a bit.